Yes.
So what do you want to ask about, Isa? Hey guys, any hard question regarding two metamorphic rocks? Something not clear you want to ask about?
No, thank you.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so let's start to check that part. Okay, here, let's try to find your answers. So the first question, in your own words, define the following terms: foliated and non-foliated. So who can answer this question? If you know the answer, just raise your hand. I'm gonna pick up. Okay. Yes, Reem.
Foliated metamorphic rock
Okay.
consists of minerals that are arranged into planes or bands. They are flat minerals, but
Okay.
non-foliated, they don't arrange in patterns.
So good. So here, foliated and non-foliated both are textures of metamorphic rock, and we said that in foliated metamorphic rock, the minerals which are found in that rock will be arranged in bundles or planes. Okay, so that means they have a kind of arrangement. While non-foliated metamorphic rock, they are rocks made of one mineral or a few minerals. They are not arranged. So here, the difference between them. Good guys. Okay, so then pass to the second question. Which of the following is not a type of foliated metamorphic rock? So yes, Lujain Nauman.
Marble.
Marble, excellent. Okay, so gneiss, slate, chest, actually all of them, they are metamorphisms from each other. Already all of them originated from the limestone, but once it's exposed to the different extreme heat and temperature, they start to change slate and chest and gneiss and like this. So somehow they are going to have the same texture. All of them are foliated except marble. So the two examples of non-foliated metamorphic rocks that you studied, quartzite and marble. Good, thank you. Then question number 3. If one of you guys doesn't understand one of these questions, please stop me and ask. Okay, don't let it pass. So question 3, explain the difference between contact metamorphism and regional metamorphism. So who can answer this question? Yes, Nano.
Contact metamorphism occurs near igneous intrusions. Magma comes in direct contact with rock.
Yeah, so good. That's contact metamorphism.
Regional metamorphism occurs when large pieces of Earth's crust collide, causing rock to deform and chemically change. Yes.
Okay, good. So actually here we could put a lot of differences between contact metamorphism and regional metamorphism. First of all, we're gonna talk about the reason what causes contact metamorphism and what causes regional metamorphism. In case of contact metamorphism, the cause is the igneous intrusion or magma intrusions, as Nano said, which means here, okay, once magma passes within the cracks under the Earth's crust, it's gonna be in contact with the surrounding rocks, so it causes it to change or to metamorphosis, and we call this contact metamorphism. So that's the cause of contact metamorphism. While the cause of regional metamorphism, it caused because of the Earth's movement or the movement of the Earth's crust, okay, which caused some deformations and the changing in the composition of the rocks. Even also because of a lot of layers that already press on the layers down it, so it causes it to change into a new metamorphic rock. So that the cause first. Second, we could say that the effect of contact metamorphism is greater than the effect of regional metamorphism. Contact metamorphism just affect the rocks which surround the magma, while regional metamorphism, its effect could extend for kilometers. So here, like this, we clarify all differences between contact metamorphism and regional metamorphism. But of course, your answer, Nano, is true. That means if you wrote this answer in the exam or in a question, it's first 100% true. So, any hard question regarding to question number 3, guys, or something not clear for any one of you?
No, thank you.
Okay, so let's pass to question 4. Explain how index minerals allow scientists to understand the history of metamorphic rock. Yes, Lujayna?
Me ولا هي؟
Lujayna. Yes, Lujayna Ayman.
Okay. Index used to estimate temperature, pressure, and depth,
Good.
and at which rock undergoes metamorphism.
Excellent. So index rock, sorry, or index mineral, give an idea about how the environment look like where the metamorphic rock is formed. It give an idea or it help to estimate how much the temperature is, how much the depth is, and how much the pressure is. So all this we could predict from index mineral because as we know, what are index minerals of state? They are exclusive minerals just found in metamorphic rocks because these minerals are already formed under certain temperature and pressure. So like this, once we find this mineral in one of the rocks, I could predict how the environment, okay, was look like in that position or in that place to form that kind of rock. For example, it was about 400 degrees Celsius and about depth of 25 kilometers and the pressure maybe about 3 or 4 atmospheric pressure and so like this, okay. So like this, the index minerals, it helped to estimate the pressure, depth, and temperature in which the metamorphic rock is formed. Good, great work, Regina. Then pass to question number 6. Okay, here he asks you if you had two metamorphic rock, one. So if you have two metamorphic rock, one that has garnet crystals and the other has chloride crystals, which one could you have formed at deeper level in the Earth's crust and explain your answer? That means which one you could find that's supposed to be formed in a higher pressure and deeper. Okay, so which one? So let's see, Hannah Hamdi.
The rock with garnet crystals.
Of course, the rock with why? Explain your
Because
answers.
because it forms at higher temperature and pressure than chloride crystals.
Excellent. Okay, so chloride crystals and garnet crystals actually both are index minerals. That mean both they are formed at certain temperature and pressure. But we know that garnet requires higher temperature. Okay, it could reaches about 700 degrees Celsius. Okay, and it needs more pressure and depth of about from 25 to 60 kilometer down. While chloride is just 400 degrees Celsius and the depth I think it's less than 15 kilometers or something like that. So simply if I get a rock that I find it contain garnet crystals, easily I predict it formed at more depth under the ground because that are the conditions which garnet could form. If the depth is not that big, okay, it's actually garnet will not form, just chloride only. Is it clear like this, guys?
Yes.
Okay, for everyone, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so then let's pass to question number 7. Which do you think would be easier to break, a foliated rock such as a slate or non-foliated rock such as quartzite? And explain your answer. That's a very good question. So let's find. Okay, who can answer this question? Let's find Fadia. Okay.
Because its grains are arranged in bands and
So which one will be broken easily?
foliated.
Foliated. Good. Okay. Why?
Because
Actually,
its grains are.
the sound is not clear, Fadia.
I'm saying that foliated minerals are easy to break because their so it's easy to break. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, here Fadia said that foliated rocks are easier to be broken down because already their minerals are arranged in planes or bundles, so somehow they will be easier to break down. What do you think? You agree with her answer?
Yes.
So you agree about yes, okay. So foliated will be broken down because already minerals in case of foliated minerals is still as it is. That means the minerals don't merge or they don't just make that kind of merge between them. But in case of non-foliated, as we studied, we said that in non-foliated, the spaces between the minerals somehow change and they merge to form a new combination, which make them highly stick to each other and hardly to break down. Okay, so that's why they are harder than foliated rocks. So foliated rocks still we have some spaces between minerals which make them easier to break down. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's
Uh-huh.
pass to question number 8. A mountain range is located at the boundary where two tectonic plates are colliding. What most of the metamorphic rock in the mountain range be product of a contact metamorphism or regional metamorphism, and explain your answer. So that means if we have a mountain, this mountain already contain metamorphic rocks. So we ask, this mountain is already formed due to the effect of contact metamorphism or regional metamorphism. Okay, and he gave you a little hint that this mountain is already found on the boundary between two tectonic plates which are colliding or they hit each other. So what do you think what your answer is? So anyone else except this already? Hannah answered, Reem, Regina, Judy, okay?
Okay, it will be a regional metamorphism.
Good. Of course, they will be formed because of regional metamorphism. Why?
Because after the tectonic plates collide together, it will cause the rock to chemically change
Good.
over
Okay.
large
Yes.
in the Earth's crust. Yeah.
Good. Good. Thank you, Judy. Okay. So of course here, as he doesn't mention, there is a magma, and give a little hint that there are already mountain found at the boundary between two tectonic plates where they are colliding. So we know that regional metamorphism happen once the tectonic plates they collide, or the Earth's crust they collide or hit each other, and that create a lot of force or pressure that cause rocks to change in structure or composition, forming metamorphic rock. So simply, I could predict that mountain is already formed from regional metamorphism. So, any harder question, guys, regarding two metamorphic rock?
No,
Anyone
thank you.
can't understand any part of that section?
No, thank you.
So like this, we studied all the minerals and all the rocks, okay, and we know them, okay. I already received some of your projects, okay, some already is done of his project and send it to me. Yeah, did good job, okay, and the others still working, so keep working, okay. You can find some help in section 3 of chapter 3, talking about mining and so on, so you could use your textbook to get you some info, and see you can get the others or the rest of the info from the internet. And then make your project. Once we already get the deadline and we collect all the projects, we start to present these videos to each other and give comments, okay, about what good and what need to improve and so on, as usual. So please keep working in your project and study the lessons which we explain very well. Check your SMS, okay, you're gonna find in assignments there is a new worksheet that tests whatever we studied about the rocks. So next time, inshallah, on Sunday, I'm gonna check that you answer this question together, and we're gonna make kind of revision about the rocks and so on before we pass to the next chapter, inshallah. So do you have
Mr.
any? Yes, Judy?
When's the due date for the project?
Actually, the due date for the project, I think 17 of January. Back to the instructions
17.
paper, yeah, 17 of January. That means you still have about 10 days, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna receive it not the next Sunday, but the Sunday after it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, guys, do your best, okay, and see you next Sunday, inshallah. Be ready, and we're gonna answer the question together. So, do you have any question, guys?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thanks, guys. Goodbye.